So for this project, what I need is, as usual, a crochet hook, yarn, and my bottle of water, the one where I'm gonna, the one I'm gonna use to make my bottle cover. So if you wanna know how to make this bottle cover, stay till the end of the video. To start with, as usual, we'll make a slip knot. So I'll turn my yarn, put it under the circle and pull through, and it's secured. I will chain 1, 2, 3, 4. I will join with a slip knot. For this project we'll be using single crochet only. So I'll chain 1 and I will make 10 single crochet in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have 10 single crochet, and I will join with the slip stitch on the first chain 1, not the first single crochet, on the first chain 1. So here it is. Now for the next row I will chain 1 again, and I'll make 2 double crochet in each stitch. I should obtain 20 at the end. So this is my first stitch here. I will make 2 single crochet, and in the next one 2 single crochet, and the same until the end of this round. And in the last 2, and then join on the first chain 1 as usual. Okay, this is my round 2. So you can start measuring, seeing how big is the circle on your bottle. Okay, so here I need 1 more row, and then I'll start working around the bottle. As you can see, I hope it's clear. So I'll be making a total of 3 rounds, 1, 2, and the third one, and then I'll show you how to start shaping the bottle cover. So again, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first chain, 2 single crochet in the next chain, 1 single crochet in the next chain, 2 single crochet in the next chain, and I will be doing the same till the end of this round. So 1, 2, 1, and 2. So I should be having 2 single crochet in the last row because the starting one was 1 single crochet, and then I'll join with a slip knot in the first chain 1. So now my bottom is ready, and I'll start simply shaping my bottle cover. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm not gonna close anymore from the next round. I will work in spiral. So now I'll chain 1 and I will do single crochet around till I reach the shape of the cover. So to start, as we said, chain 1 and then single crochet in every stitch. That's the only thing we're gonna do till we finish our project. As simple as that. In between you can change color if you wish, but for me I'm gonna only use this color. So here I'm at the end of my row where I'm not, as I said, I'm not closing. I'm just going to work in spiral. So instead of making a slip stitch on the first beginning chain, I'm gonna straight make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, like so. And I'm gonna continue my work the same way. 1 single crochet in every stitch. I will come back in the mid of my work to show you how the forming of the bottle cover is. So here how my work is progressing. I wanted to show you the mid of my work. So this is how the bottle cover is shaping, and then I'm gonna continue till the end, and then I will come back to show you how to make the strap. So this is how the work progressed with the bottle cover. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna stop till here. It's up to you if you wanna finish till the end of the bottle, but now we're gonna go to the next step and show you how to make the strap for this bottle. It's optional if you wanna make a strap, or you can just fasten off and close it here. So now I still have my yarn. What I'm gonna do is 3 single crochet, continue with this 3 single crochet, and then from this point I'm gonna chain 1, turn my work like so, and make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So my stripe will be consisted of 3 stitches. I'll be chaining 1 in every row, turning and making 1 single crochet in every stitch for the next 3 stitches, and I will be doing that until obtaining the length required for my strap, and then we'll come back and see how to attach it to the next end. Okay, so here I made my strap. As I said before, it's up to you how long you want it to be. You choose the length of your strap. Now I'm going to show you how to attach it to the next end, which is here. So I have my loop on the hook here, okay, and this is the other end of my bottle cover. I'm going to join with a slip stitch like so, and then insert my hook in the strap stitch. Okay, again we'll repeat. So this is my stripe here, and this is the other end. I'm gonna join to the other end with a slip stitch like so. Okay. Hope you can see it clearly. And I'm gonna work my single crochet from the strap and inside the stitch of the bottle. Sorry, a slip stitch again, not a single crochet. And then in the next one from the stripe to the cover, and the last one from the strap to the bottle cover stitch, all joining with a slip stitch. This is how it is, how it looks like. And now what I'm gonna do is slip stitch around the bottle to finish off my work. So here, the next stitch in the bottle cover, I'm gonna make slip stitch, and in every stitch. And now I will simply fasten off and then cut my thread and hide it in between my work. That's it. And this is my water bottle. This is how it looks like. Cute and simple and easy tutorial to do. It can be as a gift or it can be for your personal use. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. It's a very simple one to do. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.